this video tutorial, we are going to see the coding implementation of selection sort algorithm. First, we recap the selection sort algorithm. Then we will start writing code. So let's start. Let's say we have array, unsorted array. So we have to sort this array using selection sort. How the selection sort algorithm work? First, we will traverse the whole array and select the smallest element in array. Let's say the smallest element is 1. So we found a smallest element which is 1. So what we will do after that, we will swap this 4. First, we will store this I in another variable, let's say index. So we will store this element in index. Sorry, the index of this element in another variable. So we will swap these elements using these index. So after swapping, we will again start searching smallest element in an array. How we will start searching? Let's say after this swap, we will start searching from here, 19, from 19. We will start searching from here. In second iteration, we will look the smallest element in an array. When we find the smallest element in array, which is 3, so we will swap 3 with 19. This is how the selection sort algorithm work. So after that, the array is, when we swap 3 with 19, then the array is sorted. So this is how the selection sort algorithm work. So let's see the coding implementation of selection sort. So include a string using namespace std. First, we will write the selection sort function. So selection sort function, we will pass, or we have to pass an array. We will pass it later. First, we will implement it int I, the index at 0, the first element. This is the pointer for first element, and j, we say the pointer, but how we will store the index of first element of array in I and the second element in j. So here we have to store the record of first index. So we will take min index element over here, variable over here. So what we will do, we will run for loop int I equal to 0, I less than size minus 1, then I plus plus. So what is the size? Let's say we have taken an array over here. After that, we have a size. So what should we do? We store in min index I. So we store the first element. Let's say we have array of 4 element. We store the first element, the address of first element. We will run I over here and j, the second loop over here too. So this is just for tell you how we will going to work. First, we will write the code, then I will explain how it's going to work. So for j, no need to declare over here because we have already declared it over here. So j equal to I plus 1. What will be the j less than size j plus plus. So what we have to do over here, if the index at I is less than the index at min index, so what it will do, it will do store the min index, store the jth value. If jth value is, if the ith value is less than the minimum index, then store it in j. So store the jth value, the jth index, into min index, so it will be the minimum value. After that, here we have to put semicolon over here. So after that, what we have to do, if we found the smallest element in an array, so what we have to do, swap what array with min index. So we have to write a swap function over here, void swap. Let's say we have int a and int b. By using a temporary variable, we will swap this variable. Temp equal to a equal to b, and then what we will do, we will store temp. So this will swap these two element if we found a minimum index. After that, what we have to do, the swapping is done in the main function. We have to pass an array. So here I'm going to write a main function. So what will be the int n? Let's say n equal to 5. And what should I do? Array int array of 5 elements. Let's say we have elements in an array 12, 19, 15, 25, and 4. We have these element in array. So what we will print out first the unsorted array. So how we are going to print, and so for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So cout array I. So here co and del. So here we will call the selection sort function and pass the array and size n. So cout sorted array is. So what will be the sorted array? So here we can print cout and l. After that, we will copy paste this same loop. So it will print out the sorted array. So how the code is going to work? First, we have to declare three variable, I for first variable and j for second. We will run we will save the first value in min index. After that, we have to check if the next value, which is on index j, is less than the value at index I. Then we simply store the min index jth value into min index. After that, we found the minimum index. Then we will swap the elements. Then let me run it for you. So there is error over here. Swap array. What is the error? Just I have selected this, so I have to click on any right side of any place. So after that, we will run. So it will sort the array. So you can see the code. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.